Alright guys, this is going to be a video of this General Electric dishwasher. As you can see, runs so good. And here's all the controls. We got normal wash, got pots and pans, high temp, heat it dry. In order to start, let me show you. So I'm gonna show you how the how to operate the GE dishwasher in case if you're not sure. Alright, so here's how you do it. So first up is gonna close the door, lock it in place, and then select the cycle you want it to wash, and just turn it very slowly to start. You don't want to push it too far, because otherwise you can bypass it. And there we go. And I'm not gonna keep it on because I don't want to wear out the anything like that. Anyways, just a quick video of this GE dishwasher. Thanks a lot and goodbye.